Today we have arrived at the Dockside Inn Suites, Universal, Orlando. This is one of the standard rooms. We're actually up on the 11th floor and gonna give a quick little room tour here. It's definitely a nice, clean, bright room, which is always really nice. Nice restroom area with a stand-up shower. Everything up here is to be really nice and clean, which is always super nice. The standard rooms come with 2 queen beds. Definitely kind of has that dock type, seaside type feel. Really nice and airy and kind of has a natural feel and flow to it. Really nice pool view here. Amazing pool. Really nice resort. Overall, for the value, can't beat it. Plenty of little storage here. I think there's the typical small refrigerator to put some soft drinks in, or maybe beer or wine. Got some storage. Nice for anyone that's traveling, that's got to do a little work while they're away. Nice little desk area with a little bench seat. Plenty of outlet space for computers or chargers. Got the typical 1-cup coffee machine with the 1-cup coffee packets. Also got a nice little clothes storage with a nice safe. Always nice to have the safes to put the valuables in while you're out and about. Overall, really nice.